Hello, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I will be your host, Professor Prime. Now, lightsabers, an amazing idea from the classic franchise known as Star Wars, which is very much still kicking. I'm a huge fan. I grew up on the movies. I saw the original ones on like video, VHS, which depending on the age of the viewer, you might recognize, or you might not. But anyway, I was a big fan of those, and I grew up when the prequels came out, and I enjoyed them when I was younger, and I saw the sequel trilogy over the course of these last few years. And really, whatever issues I might have with bits and pieces, the fact remains, like I enjoy that series. I even like when I was younger, I even read the books, like a lot of the books, and some were good, some were not so good. But anyway, right? So I think you get the point, right? I'm a big Star Wars fan. So I've had different lightsabers growing up, and in my adult life, believe it or not, still some, and in recent years, even more. So anyway, right? I had a coworker, and she moved to a different state. An awesome person, awesome coworker, and so I'm visiting her on the last day, and she pulls out a lightsaber, and I wonder about that. And she's like, "I'm not gonna need this where I'm going. Would you like to keep it?" And I'm like, "What? Of course I would." And I'm like, "I don't know how I'm going to use this, but I will use it." I'm like, "You know what? I'm going to figure out a way to use this in my class." And I have, ranging from just making an entrance to conducting review sessions with it. And over time, I had a lot of fun with it. But at some point, I sensed a disturbance in the force. Or maybe I noticed that that lightsaber was falling apart after like a year of use. So I decided that someday I'm going to get another lightsaber. I'm like, well, why wait? And so I got one. And that lightsaber, which you might have seen in another video, is the one here. It is green, as you can see, but it also has a gold hilt. I always wanted that when I was younger, and so I got that now. And so I started using that in my classes, and then I still had the old one, so I used that for as long as I could, and oftentimes I would dual wield them. And eventually I'll get back to a point of owning more than one, but for right now, again, I have this, and it is awesome. And people seem to dig it. I bring this to class more than once, in other places too, but like mostly class. So yeah, that's where the lightsaber comes from. I had an original one that I was using for class, and then the new and improved one that I got myself. And both those lightsabers have served me well, and this one will continue to serve me well now and in the future. And there might be potential other lightsabers. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Professor Prime out.